Hello children, my topic for today is proposal writing. It is a compulsory section of English language paper and it carries 10 marks. First of all, let me tell you what is a proposal writing. It is a way to pitch an idea, a plan or a suggestion and state the requirements and the line of action for successful accomplishment of the plan. It is a formal document put forward for the approval of a higher authority. As a student of ISC, you will be asked to write a proposal to establish a club in your school or start a new project or conduct a fest. A proposal may be written to solve a problem, to improve a process or a situation, or to undertake a new project, or to conduct a program, or to organize an event. There are certain things to remember while writing a proposal. They are, you have to give a heading first, then introduction, after that objectives, and then list of measures. After which you need to give a concluding sentence, and then finally you should put your signature with your designation. Marks are allotted for different segments. If you follow the correct steps, you can score good marks. Marking scheme of proposal writing is 2 marks for writing heading introduction, 2 marks for objectives, 4 marks for list of measures, and 2 marks will be awarded on your linguistic ability. Children, just like no marks are awarded separately for writing the heading or the title that you give in the beginning, it just gives a sense of completion. In the same way, you should put your signature in the end with your designation. It's your own writing, children, so you end up with your signature along with your designation. Marks for signature must be included in the expression. Important note, it is suggested that while writing a proposal, the students provide an apt title, a heading that is an introduction of about 2 sentences, a minimum of 2 objectives, and a list of a minimum of 4 points. The proposal should be concluded with an appropriate sentence, and 2 marks finally will be awarded for linguistic ability. Now let's take a specimen question for proposal writing from your own textbook Total English ISC for class 11 edition 2020, specimen paper 1, page 14. And the question is, as a member of the student council of your school, you have been given the responsibility of setting up a skill development center to help underprivileged children to learn some vocational skills. Write a proposal in not more than 150 words stating the steps you would take to successfully set up this particular center. You are required to give an apt title for proposal. Always write the title in capital, as you can see here in your screen. Proposal for setting up a skill development center. You have to write introduction and heading. Without writing the word heading, give heading or the title to your proposal. But you have to write the word introduction and then write introduction, as you can see here in your screen. To set up a skill development center to help underprivileged children to learn some vocational skills so that they can earn a living. Now write the word objectives and then write objectives, as you can see here. Objectives. The Skill Development Center would provide training to the underprivileged children in vocational skills like carpentry, computers, hardware, repairing mobile phones and tailoring, and arrange on the job experience for the students trained at the center. Now comes the list of measures. You have to write the heading first, list of measures. Then write list of measures as you can see here your screen. List of measures. Number 1, providing halls to set up the training center. Next point, appointing teachers to train the students. Next, arranging tools and equipments used for training. And the last, funds to be raised from an NGO and 2 industrial houses as part of their corporate social responsibility program. Now you have to write the concluding sentence. Then finally you put your signature with your designation. Children, this is not mentioned in your book, but you should put your signature along with your designation to give your proposal a sense of completion. We hope that the proposal will be accepted so that the Skill Development Center is established at the earliest. Rahul Batra, Student Council Member, Mary Lucas School and College, Prayagraj. Now have a look at the proposal writing, the way it should be written. Thank you.